So 2026 is likely to be a down year. Will that happen? I don't know. Most likely. Now, you can either hold on through the down years and keep adding and increasing the value of your portfolio, or you can unload some risk. And we'll talk about some of that. Don't forget, en route, make sure you take some lifestyle chips off as well. This is a really important concept. Lifestyle chips are the ability to take off some profits in things that really matter to you. So if the markets turn around, you don't time the top properly or whatever you're trying to do, you've paid off a mortgage, or you bought the car, or you bought the holiday. You've done whatever it is that you need for your own life. And you're going to hate selling out when you have to take some lifestyle chips off. But at the end of it, your future self will thank you massively. So make sure you think about that. The time for lifestyle chips are somewhere between December and March. We will obviously get more volatility in the space. Expect 30% pullbacks frequently, maybe 35%. These will happen. Maybe Bitcoin goes to 100,000 and then pulls back to 70,000 and goes up. Don't freak out about it. It's really normal.
Raoul Pal, CEO of Real Vision, suggests that December to March may offer the best opportunity to profit from crypto before market volatility brings another dip. He predicts significant gains, followed by possible pullbacks of up to 35%. These fluctuations are typical of the market cycle, but they can be unsettling without a clear strategy. Pal recommends either holding steady or taking some lifestyle chips off the table to secure your future, rather than solely relying on the market's highs and lows. Stick around for his insights on the ideal signals to sell and lock in your gains. Also, if you enjoy listening to crypto-related content, please show your support by liking and subscribing to this channel by following the link in my bio. And get access to my free daily crypto updates and expert predictions direct to your inbox. Each newsletter contains market intelligence, on-chain data and latest updates from experts in the crypto space. All of this is available completely free of charge. Signing up only takes a moment and you can always change your mind later on. Now back over to Raoul Pal.
We all have the inner gambler in us. The emotions run high when crypto's exploding. I get it. It's fun. It's exciting. And before you know it, you're switching out of all of the things you should be holding, your Solana, your ETH, your Bitcoin, your SUI, whatever it may be, and you are holding tons of meme coins, going out the risk curve. These are definitely going to 20x, 50x. And before you know it, they don't. Or you get caught when the tide turns. Don't forget, with memes, you're trading attention, and attention can be persistent, but mostly it's not. It lasts for a period of time and then it dies. And before you know it, you're holding the bag with a bunch of losses and you up the cycle again. Please don't do that. I say it all the time. Friends of mine do it. Please, please, please keep your degen bag relatively low. Now, you might want to rebalance it if it does well, if you've chosen well, or you can keep running it. It depends. It's up to you. But again, just remember, don't overstay your welcome in the really risky stuff because you will end up losing money. The other key thing, the actual real hack to all of this, is just hold for a long time horizon. Just holding means you don't do anything. It's very difficult to make mistakes. You're self-custodying, you're not trading, you're not trying to scalp anything. You just hold it. And guess what? Over time, Bitcoin's done about 150% a year, including 3 kind of 70, 80% drawdowns. And by doing nothing, you just compound the returns over time. I like to add to my bags into the big cyclical sell-offs, that once every 4-year down cycle. I like to add, and then your holdings compound and you make more and more money each time. But just have a longer term time horizon. For sure, look at the hourly charts. It's fun. I've got them up all of the time, but I don't trade them. I just hold. I barely do anything. I make a couple of asset allocation switches in the entire cycle, and that's it. And magic happens, and it stops you. So try your absolute best not to do anything with your main holdings. Also, zoom out. This space is all about noise. It's called FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt. You'll find that somebody somewhere is trying to scare you, telling you it's a scam, telling you it's going to collapse, telling you something is going to happen. The Chinese are going to do something. The Russians are going to do something. Something's going to go to war. All of these things are going to come across your screens every day, and they will make you feel insecure. Remember, this is noise. This is an adoption of technology. And if tomorrow is going to be more digital than today, we will use blockchain rails for proof, for social proof, consensus proof of value, of transferring assets, of holding assets. Everything in a digital world is going to require blockchain rails. It'll be equity markets, bond markets, currency markets. It'll be art. It'll be tickets. It'll be anything, any contract is better on the blockchain because you don't need a trusted third party because the consensus mechanism allows everybody to trust it. So over time, the adoption of Bitcoin is huge. In fact, it's still growing at twice the speed of the internet. Back when the internet was in its early days. So something that grows at that speed also goes up in price. So zoom out, remove the noise. If tomorrow is not going to be more digital than today, then start worrying. You can also worry at some point about the big cycles. So 2026 is likely to be a down year. Will that happen? I don't know. Most likely. Now, you can either hold on through the down years and keep adding and increasing the value of your portfolio, or you can unload some risk. And we'll talk about some of that. Don't forget, en route, make sure you take some lifestyle chips off as well.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe for news and expert predictions direct to your inbox.